Friday, mini ramp time. The game plan is simple today. Warm up with a few kick turns, then go for feeble fakie, pivot fakie, and maybe if we're feeling it, go for the tornado to shove that we failed last week. That depends on the quality of the mini ramp because I put some water sealant on it and it became extremely slippery. Now I have it covered in orange soda and it's kind of sticky, so we'll see how it holds up. That was the first front rock we've done since the rebuild.
Just says clean trick, bro.
Alright, if you guys didn't know, I also stream my skate sessions on twitch.tv/Ninja Lifestyle. Just took out the camera. First try, feeble fakie. First time on the new ramp. First go. Yes. First try again. Oh. Almost. Transfer you guys all wanted? Let's fucking go. I got a new grill. Now it's time for the tadpole to become the big fish. First try. Oh. Worst attempt of my career. As a skateboarder of 24 years, I don't need to check the camera. People on YouTube, I could feel my heels drag. So you guys have no excuse in Ninja Review. I'll tell you what I really miss right now is when the bottom of the ramp was a little bit slippery, because that grabbed all my skin and yanked it. Okay, I know that one was okay, but maybe I can do one better. hope I didn't stall too long. I hope that was okay. Altogether, I skated for 53 minutes, and we managed to finally land the tornado shove. I felt like I stalled a little bit too long, but I'll take that one. I think it was fine. Tune in tomorrow for a happy medium review. We upload 5 videos every single week here on Ninja Lifestyle, so make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed.